आज 1 एप्रिल आणि पेपर वाचतकर अशें दिसलें की गोंयकारांचेर एक एप्रील फूल जोक हे सरकारान केला म्हणून. पयलें म्हणल्यार जो सरकार निवडून आयिल्लो सांगून की आमी 11 रुपया पेट्रोलाचेर कमी करतले म्हणल्यार वॅट म्हणटा तो 0% करतले म्हणून, ऑलमोस्ट 0%. ताणें आज 0%च्यान 22% वॅट केलो आनी हाजेर आज आज पेट्रोल 3 रुपया 70 पैसे वाडिल्ले आहा आनी पेट्रोल जालें 57 रुपीज. सो हाजेर एक विचार आमी करूंक जाता म्हणटा तो की, आनी म्हाका दिसता हाजें निंदा करूंक जाय की सरकारान हो मदर ऑफ यू टर्न्स मारिल्लो आहा फ्रॉम 0% टू 22% वॅट. म्हणटकर सरकाराक दिसता की सुशेगाद गोंयकार हांकां कितेंय पत्करता म्हणून. आज कसलोय यू टर्न मारलो जाल्यार पचतलो असो सरकाराक दिसपाक लागिल्लें आहा. तेंच न्ही आज सरकार फुडें वचून सांगता की जे काजिनो ते मांडवींतल्यान भायर उडयतले म्हणटाले, आज गोंयचे लोक जेन्ना तांकां भायर उडयतले ते म्हणसर ते मांडवीन उरतलेच म्हणून. तशें पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार आमकां दिसता मांडवीन काजिनो उरतले पूण सरकार घरा वतलो. हें सरकाराक खबर आसतना वचून सरकार फुडें वचून हें डिसिजन घेता. हाजेर अशें दिशिल्लें आहा की सरकाराक एक हायट ऑफ एरोगन्स पाविल्ली आहा गोंयचो सरकार. दे फील दॅट गोवन्स वील टॉलरेट एनीथींग, दॅट द पीपल ऑफ गोवा आर अनरिस्पॉन्सिबल. Therefore, all the more reason that every secular progressive element of Goa needs to unite. We have to take this to the streets. आज गोंया सरकार क्लियर कट सांगता की गोंयच्या लोकांक नोकऱ्यो मेळच्यो ना म्हणून. म्हाका एसेंब्लीन ताणें सांगिल्लें आहा प्रायवेट सॅक्टरान गोंयच्या लोकांक नोकऱ्यो दिवपाक आमच्यान फोर्स करूंक जायना म्हणून. आज 50,000 जॉब्स क्रिएट करतले म्हणून होच BJP सरकार सांगता. ते 50,000 गोंयकार आसतले काय ना हें गॅरंटी ना. गोंयकार आसचेच ना. हे भायले BJPचे वर्करांक हाडटले जाल्यार नोकऱ्यो विकतल्यो हें तांचें प्लॅनिंग जाल्लें आहा. म्हाका दिसता हे बेजीक इश्यूज इतल्याचेर पाविल्ले आहा की गोंयांत माड म्हणटा तें झाड न्ही म्हणलें आनी ताजे फुडें जेन्ना माडाचेर राजकारण जावपाक लागलें, जेन्ना माडाचेर पसून युनॅनिमिटी ओपोजिशन फोर्सिसांची जाली ना, they got emboldened. They have now gone ahead. They are now talking of forgetting every promise that they had done before the election in their manifesto. They are rewriting their manifesto with U-turns, and they know that Goan people can be taken for granted. अशें हें जाल्लें आहा. Which is why I condemn this. I call upon the people to agitate. We will have to go to every level and show the disgust that the Goan people have on the streets. खंय वता थंय इशू हो करपाक गरज पडटली आमकां, कित्याक आज गोंय म्हणटा तें गोंयकारां खातीर ना हें सरकारान प्रूव केल्लें आहा. सरकाराची प्रायोरिटीज अशी आहा की गोंयकारांक आनी स्थान आसचेंच ना गोंयांत. आनी हें फकत जाता कित्याक तांकां दिसता की दुसरे जे फोर्सीस एकवटान आसूंक जाय आशिल्ले ते एकवटान ना. हाजे खातीर सरकार फुडें एम्बोल्डन जाल्लो आहा. हाजे खातीर आमचे वी वील बी इन कॉन्स्टंट टच विथ एवरी एलिमेंट who will be united because of their commitment to the anti-people governance of the BJP. Commitment, this should be the factor that should unite each one of us. We are having efforts in that direction, and we are sure we will be able to throw out this government. Today, if you go to see, last night there is a statement from the Ivory Coast. Ivory Coastan state of emergency declare केल्ली आहा. एक दुयेंस माडाक जाला म्हणून, येलोईंग डिजीज म्हणून. So there is a state of emergency declared in Ivory Coast, which is a undeveloped area of Africa where there are constant civil wars. Now, and in Goa, it is unfortunate that we are moving a legislation, we are making a law wherein the coconut is no longer considered a tree, where we are declassifying the coconut tree. So हें सगळें जालां म्हळ्यार सरकाराक मद मारिल्लो आहा. It is the height of arrogance, and in the election year they have put Goa on a fast track sale. which is what is to be condemned and which is to be exposed, and we are trying to unitedly do it. We are talking to all like-minded individuals, but we are not at a stage wherein we can make some announcement. We have begun discussions.
For example,
SCSS here speaks about one such outfit, which is also having a common intention towards Goans and Goa.
You see, I had not exactly come for the press conference. Vijay Barbore and even Regina, whom you saw, we were sitting. कि आमचे भितर एक जाल्ले हाँ कि आमी सगळे एक जावपाकूच जाय म्हळ्या इलेक्शन नेक्स्ट इलेक्शनाक. पर्सनली हांव BJP लास्ट टायम येयले तेन्ना काँग्रेस डिफीट जालें म्हण आमकां एक हॅपी आहलें. आनीक BJP सांगताले सगळें बदल करतले बरें करतले म्हण. पूण 4 वर्सां चल जायत देर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन काँग्रेस एंड BJP. वन इज वर्स्ट एंड दी अदर. आनी कांय ना एका पाश दुसरें जालें. So आमकां दिसता की there is need for a complete change in Goa. And towards that, we and Vijay and some others, we have been meeting constantly. And I am glad to say that I सगळ्यां भितर unanimity आहा की सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाचें आनी आमी एकठांय जातलेच. There is no doubt in my mind that next elections would be straight fights. So, and on these issues now, issue आनी विजयान सांगलें आनी सांगपाक गरज ना की आयज सगळें everything is going wrong. Petrol आता विजयान सांगते पण 57 rupees per liter जाला. When the international price is 1/3 of what it was, I can understand international price चोळे जाल्यार. International price when BJP came to power was $120 per barrel. Now it's something like $40. So when the price is down by 200%, why should the price of petrol in Goa go up? That benefit should have passed to the consumer. तें जायना. On everything आता ते माळ कातरपाक केलो. सी गोंयांत तुमकां एवरी टायम एक फंक्शन जाता, इनॉग्रेशन जाता, तुमी नाल्ल फोटाय. नाल्ल खंयसून हाडले तुमी? सगळे माळ कातरले. वेर वील यू गेट द कोकोनट फ्रॉम मॅन? इवन टू इनॉग्रेट टू ले फाउंडेशन स्टोन्स, यू हॅव टू इम्पोर्ट कोकोनट्स. सो हेच जालां की काँग्रेस आमकां BJP परंपरा आमची पेट्रोटिजम सांगता. पूण दीस कोकोनट इज आवर प्रायड मॅन. गोवा इट इज अ सिंबल ऑफ गोवा. तुमी तो आज कातून उडोवपाक लागले. And easily, like grass, and in fact, I have just been told that Baba Ramdev has patented some lawn mower to mow the coconuts grass. Special kit kalvi. And so, mak dista 100% sagle goinkar ektayn jatle. And what we have started last few days, am sagle metai. And next elections would be a straight fight.
Straight fight means Congress will get aligned with you?
No, neither Congress nor BJP may even want to contest, man, once we unite.
no, but straight fight
Between us and independents.
So second and third, कसले
What I
anti-BJPism जे कितें आहा, it is not only BJP इचेर कोंत्र आहा. BJPंतले वर्कर BJPचेर कोंत्र जाल्ले आहा. Because they have betrayed Goans. So we are there to protect Goa. That is what unites us.
See, it is for the Congress to decide what they want. We would want everybody to come out to defeat the BJP. Now, if the Congress story समझौता कि तेणी तेचे रावपाचे and they are coming back with the same fellows who were defeated, you see, the people have taught the Congress a lesson last time. Everybody knows what the lesson is. MLAs who have been there for 4, 5, 6 terms have all been routed. They have been defeated. And the message is very clear to the Congress that if you come with the same faces again, we are not going to support you. Now, if the Congress has interest of Goans and is willing to learn from the message that the voters have sent to them, then maybe it would be better for all of us. But if Congress refuses to learn, we are not going to commit suicide. The people of Goa are going to come together and see that both these parties are defeated. That is what we are working on. If Congress wants to reform and change and do something, maybe people will go with them. I am not joining the Congress, but we would want the BJP defeated.